Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm Nisha, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get voluminous and lengthy eyelashes. So that's the reason I haven't put any sort of eye makeup or eyeliner or kohl in my eyes today. So I have just used my mascara and made my eyes look as it is now. So today I'll be showing you how do I get voluminous and lengthy lashes. For my eyelashes, I have been always using two mascaras, that is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and the other one that I am using is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara. And this mascara I have been using since a year or so, but it's been a long time that I've been using this, and I like to wear it on my regular basis when I just go out of my home, because I cannot go out of my house without mascara, because I love putting mascara and I need to groom my eyelashes when I leave my home. So today I have made this look using both these mascaras, and I'm going to show you how I have done it, because these are the two mascaras I had already told you are my favorites, and I had mentioned about these two products in my previous video of my favorites from 2018, and I had already told you that I'll try to bring up a video on how do I make my eyelashes look voluminous and lengthy, and so am I doing today. So let me first show you this mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and it comes in this kind of curved wand, and it has scattered bristles and very small bristles. These give a good length and spread your eyelashes very evenly and nicely, and it also makes them look lengthy. And the other one that I'm going to show you is this. It's the Big Shot Mascara, and it has a dense brush, which is this kind, and it has many bristles, and bristles help in separating the mascara as well as giving a good volume to our eyelashes. So I've always been putting these two mascaras together when I make any good eye look, or I need to go for a good party occasion or something like that, or else I use them individually basically for my everyday purposes. I don't always go with both of the mascaras on my lashes, because I don't like too heavy of mascaras always. But yeah, sometimes when I feel like I should only go with my mascaras, then I use these two mascaras at a time. So let's begin with the video, and in my video I'll show you how to use these mascaras for getting voluminous and lengthy look for your eyelashes. So stay tuned and keep watching my video till I move to my next section. So now you see the difference between both of my lashes. One I have done already and other is undone. So how do I make my lashes look voluminous and lengthy with the help of these two mascaras? I'll be just showing you right away. So first let's begin with the curler. I am using this Vega curler, and first of all I'll be curling my lashes. Just be very careful while you do this. You should not pinch yourself and should not hurt yourself. So be very careful, and please be seated in a particular place or standing very still when you are working with the eyelash curler, because it's really very risky. So I have begun to curl my lashes, and I'll be pressing it for 10 to 20 seconds so that my eyelashes. So now you can see how my lashes has curled and it has turned upside. And now I'll be beginning by applying this mascara first. It is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and now I'll be gently applying it in the wriggling motion. Always look downwards when you are applying mascara on your upper lashes. Now I will be closing my eyes on the wand so that product on the wand gets distributed very nicely. So yeah, now you see my lashes have become a bit lengthy and separated, and now I have ended up putting some mascara over my lid, so I'll let it dry first, and later on, after completing my whole mascara routine, I'll just show you how to remove that. So now, after waiting for just a few seconds, I'm going ahead with my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. That is for volume. It's a volume express mascara, and it gives very good volume to our lashes. It has nice amount of bristles, so this helps in separating the eyelashes very nicely, so we don't get much clumps also. So I'm now beginning to put this mascara. Again, I'm looking downwards and applying my mascara, and I'm closing my eyes on the wand so that the products get distributed from root till the tip. And now I will be giving this wriggling motion finally. Now you can see the difference, how my lashes have become lengthy and voluminous, and how my eye looks so big and beautiful. And there are some clumps on my eyelashes right now, which I will be removing with the help of this eyebrow comb. See the difference? Now both of my eyelashes look similar, and the only thing that's missing is my lower lashes. Now I'll be doing my lower lashes using the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I'll remove the excess again, and always make sure you take very less product in your wand when you are doing your lower lash line. When you are applying on your lower lash line, make sure you are looking above, otherwise you might end up hurting yourself. So now I'll just look upside in slight wriggling motion. I'll just put on my lower lash. So now you see how does the lower lash line again makes a huge difference in your eyes. Today I have no eye makeup, I told you earlier, and I have done only just the mascara routine on my top lashes as well as on my lower lash line. So that's it. And the thing that I'd like to top up this is I'll be using my Lakme Absolute Kohl Kajal just on the outer corner of my eyes, and with the help of this smudger I'm going to smudge that out. I'm not going to smudge that whole, I'm just going to smudge that halfway. So yeah, and now I would like to tight line my upper eyelid. So using the same kajal, I'll be tight lining. I'll be just holding my eyelid from here, looking downwards again, and just very lightly. Yeah, so I'm done. So this is my final look using the both Maybelline mascaras. Just a little of the kajal from Lakme Absolute. Now the thing that is left is that I had ended up putting some mascaras on my lid, and now I'll show you how to remove that. If in case sometime we are like working with mascara, we obviously sometimes tend to put mascaras here and there on our face, so it's nothing a big deal to worry about. Let the mascara dry very nicely first, then with the help of a spoolie, this is the spoolie, or you might also use Q-tips for the purpose, just go very light handed over the mascara mark, and yeah, it's gone. So this is the trick I use for removing my mascaras that I get somewhere on my lid or on other portion of my eyes. I just use this trick to just come out of it. So guys, that was it. So this was the routine that I basically follow for my eyelashes, and I like to get this kind of eyelashes which are voluminous, lengthy, and sometimes it looks fake even. So guys, please let me know how was my video, how did you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and let me know in the comment below if you want any specific kind of video from me. I'll try putting that up, and share my video with your friends. Give lots and lots of your love to me, and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook. I have mentioned all the links below in the description box. Please click on the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.